Hi guys, today we are going to talk more about the TikTok application and we will show you how to pin a comment on TikTok. So let's go to this app, and of course you can pin only your comments only for your videos. So we are on the profile page. Let's choose one of our videos here. For example, the last one. Go to the comment section, and this is our our comment. So let's hold it on and choose the pin comment option. Amazing! As you can see, this comment was successfully pinned. Don't forget about likes, guys, and subscribe on our TikTok and YouTube channels. Bye bye!